The New York and 350 algo on everything. We might just be crashing out here. Might be just a crash out. Hi, puppy. What's the matter? Hello, puppy. Hello, puppy. Oof. See, we're not getting what we want. We started out under the zone. It's dropping below. I want to see a cross up and then back down before I get into it. Or across it up and then we get our dots and our flips. Ain't that right, Archie? We need our flip before we get into the trade. Oh yeah, that good? You like them pets? Still not getting a flip over. Not doing what we want here. Okay, maybe here we come. Maybe a little bit. Ooh, I spoke too soon. See that shit? Oh, hey, Law, what's up, man?
Not much, man. Not much.
I'm just waiting on this to do what I wanted to do. You know?
Yeah, me too. I'm being super patient today.
That's good.
So you're not trade stopping MES today, right?
Possibly. I don't know. We don't have a setup.
Okay.
I'm watching it, but it ain't giving me a trade yet.
All right.
Not
I have it on.
Oh yeah. I've always got it on. But this is we haven't got what I want out of this thing yet. We need we're being kind of shit, honestly. I'm just scalping right now. Looking at all of the correlations, it doesn't look good, man. Looks like it's going to be a chop day.
I had some bots running pre-market and they got chopped pretty bad. So I'm down red on a couple accounts because of that. Probably shouldn't have them in pre-market, but some days pre-market is really good, so I don't know.
I just lower the risk if I do it. TSA SE won a trade at, like, was it 9 or something? I pulled 100 ticks of NQ and then I just shut them all off. I'll just take the $500 and be done with it. Yep.
You mean you start them at 9? What are you talking about?
Those are turned on at 8:30. Or their schedule is 8:30 to 3. But if they hit, I usually just shut it off after that. 100 ticks, it's good enough.
Yeah.
This is not giving us these set up. So. It's running sideways. Just like NVIDIA is running sideways. SPY is kind of running sideways. QQQ is running sideways, and Microsoft is running sideways. I don't have anything really going on right now. We need some one of these stocks to start pushing around a little bit so that we can push around with it. It's almost 11:30. Usually that's when we're gonna get our break away from the bullshit. 9:30. Let's see. Here we go. 9:30 right here. We'll just say 11. Boom. See what we got. See, we're still inside of all this shit. Got no volume there. Traded right here. And our value areas are here and here, and we're in the middle of it. So we're range bound, man. We are range bound for now. So I'm just going to wait. I'm going to wait for another 15-minute candle that starts in 4 minutes. Oh. No. Nope. No, thank you. I was up 4,300. Now I'm down to 3,400. So I have to be very picky on these trades right here. But I am going to wait for a new 15. We're not getting it here. It's already ugly. It's ugly as fuck. I'm gonna wait for a new 15 and go for that setup again. So 3 minutes. I'll be right back. All right, we got a new 15-minute candle. Let's see what we're gonna do here. Cross down, cross up is happening. Is it gonna give us what we need though? Nope. We're in more range bound bullshit. More range bound bullshit.
I just noticed my trend shift in NinjaTrader wasn't working because my license reset. So I had to go back and manually
Oh no.
put my new license in.
Okay, so maybe we are gonna dump this out. That'd be cool because we'll probably come down to decision level down here. Where I tried to get to earlier, but I couldn't get it and trailed. Couldn't get that trade. We didn't get a crossover here either, man. You know? This is garbage. Gotta be very apparent that it's happened or you're gonna lose the trade. Come on, you
I want to wait for all the signs.
Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Need buy volume. Candle green. Candle's red. We don't have the volume yet. You need an increase in volume or this doesn't work. Come on, fuckers. Where's the volume? There it is. All right, let's see. Come on, push. Come on. Push. Push, push, push. Wow, we're getting shut down. Going break even. Fuck this. I'm not gonna lose. Is it ripping? I'm gonna cover commissions here. One got closed. Other got closed. Yeah, we're not doing anything, dude. They're just fucking consolidating right here. I'm gonna hold off until we break out of here. We're now inside of the 350 and New York zone. So I need clear defined fucking pushes. I'm trying to win this thing. It's 200 grand on the line. I'm not gonna fuck around with stupid shit. So that's my take on that. And there's dudes already up $20,000 right now. A lot of them are going to get wiped out because they broke the rules. So I just steady wins the race.
Yeah. I mean, we're inside our weekly end cap and under the 350. So it's just like hard to know.
I want it to break away from this range, dude. I really do. This whole area right here is just shit. And 2600 is where the orders are sitting. There's a nice demand there. That's where my decision level is. I really thought we were going to hit it. I was crashing down with it right here. I took this short. And we did not get it. It turned around and went up. So maybe we will. You know? It's still holding this end cap though. Like it keeps punching into it, but it's holding it. Did that actually come down? And no, that would have never been a stop loss. But maybe I shouldn't have trailed it up. If this prints another green volume dot, I might get into it. Everything just gets shut down right now, man. That was a good momentum build there, and it just got shut down. Annoying. Super annoying. There we go. What's it doing now? We're not getting any real volume though. But it just doesn't feel like it's gonna do anything. Okay. There's some. Nah. Nah. I'm gonna wait till the range breaks, dude. I'm not taking any more trades inside of this area right here. You're just gonna get chopped around. It's not worth it. I mean, I'm taking a little bit of these scalps, but I wanna get out of here. You know? I want to get out of this end cap and this end cap. I want to get out of this motherfucker right here. And then I'm gonna think about doing some shit. You know?
Yeah, sounds right.
I'm gonna sit here and watch it until it does what I want it to do. If it never does what I want it to do, then I can't lose any money.
Set an alert. Go cut some carrots, man.
I'm about to go cut carrots. I'll leave the streams running. I'll be back in every 10 minutes.
Right on.
Gotta wait for it to break out of this area here. All right, so still don't look like we have much going on. We're kind of out of the range at the bottom, aren't we? Let's see here. Oh, that's looking like a crash. Down to decision level. Cross down, cross up. We're below. That's a... I mean... we're still inside this range though, you know what I mean? Like, I'm tired of taking positions out of it. Not doing anything. But this just ripped. God, I could have just... That was all I needed right there. How many ticks was that? 40. Boom. That would have been it. Oh. Damn. Oh well. There's gonna be more. I really want out of this range. I got this box drawn here. I won't be in it anymore. We're inside of 350. We're inside of New York session. So I'm going to change the orange to New York session real quick so that you can see what the hell I'm talking about. So New York, boom. We're below it, but we're inside of it on SPY and then just ugly. It's ugly. So we're bearish. Here's the New York session. This is where it started right here, 930. And then here's our built-in dynamic zone showing you what's going on. And these are this is 45-minute candle or 15-minute candle. Now, if I turn on my main zone here that I use, let's see, 350 algo, boom. Did it repopulate? Yep, we're below that too. So I don't want to be buying right now. I'm gonna be looking for shorts. Unless we rip up above. We're on NVIDIA, we're above it, and then we're below the 350 algo. So, or no, is that algo? Which one is that? That's gray. Yellow is 350. So we're above 350 and we're below New York sessions. So it's chop zone on NVIDIA right now. It's still just running straight sideways since the open, bro. Look at it, man. It's fucking straight sideways. Here we are ripping on this. Back into the range. I could fuck with this a little bit. To get out of it. Gotta get out of it though. Gotta get out of it. You know? Yep. Yeah. What's this? Who's this? Bassa. Da 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 da. I love it when people...
It just crossed back down to the 45 zone.
Yeah. This was a perfect entry right here, and I don't know why I didn't take it. Look at immediate drop and then cross back over. We got our volume dot right there printing, and then this turned green. It was a perfect entry. I didn't fucking capitalize on it. Look at that, 100 and fucking 31 points out, dude. It just ran. I still want to be in this. I don't want to trade in this range anymore. I want out of it. I love it when people create support tickets and then they just go AFK.
Yeah, that's fun.
That's like 90% of the people. Just some more chop. Spies inside of the zones now. Let me look at ES, man, see if we're going to get under our trade today or not. Yeah, see, we don't have any good rejections of anything. See that? Like nothing. Look at over here. ES just swept highs and lows. See that? That's all I did. They crashed out at 9:30 and swept lows, and they're pushing up. But we don't have a solid rejection though from the cap or anything. No trade.
Yeah.
Let me set an alert right here so I don't miss it if it does drop. Once per bar. Let me create. There we go. Let me make sure my ES chart is set up correctly. I don't even have the account. It should be good. What's my lead account on that? No. Let's see here. I don't remember what account I lead on this one. Oh, take profit trader. So here we are ripping in the range again. That'd be nice if it just rips right on out of here, right? Then we'll get some kind of retest and we'll be able to get into the trade. ES is... looks like an upside down head and shoulders. Still not what I'm looking for. We're below... we're inside of 350 algo. See that? So it's not the setup I'm waiting on. I don't want it. It might end up being a short setup. It might reject this and drop. The major up to the FLB. We added volume dots to it. Right here. The setting I'm using on it right now is showing me the extremes. But we're in so much chop right here that like everything's considered a fucking extreme at the moment. But you can filter it. You can filter it out. You can change. This, see, I've got it set pretty sensitive. I want to know when there's a change in volume as the flips occur. Right, this. So right here we get a change of volume. There's 426 popped up right here after it broke through. So I want to know when that happens. But this is too much volume dots, like for normal use.
This is supposed to be the fourth time that the beacon line has crossed into the 45 end cap.
Yeah. On what? On ES?
No, on NQ.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I'm not playing with that shit. I'm just scalping it. But I want out of this range. I gotta get out before I do anything. I'm just watching it just fucking whip. So when it gets out of the range, I'll start scalping again. I've not fixed WAP view post links. That's because you have to be a member to see them. Let me see. I can't fix WAP stuff. I don't have access to WAP's code. But let's see. Let's see what's going on here. What's your username on WAP, Ken? Let's see if this is you. I don't think that's you. If you're not a member of anything, you won't be able to see the actual you won't be able to actually go in and see the announcement. You have to be a member of one of the services, one of the things. Otherwise it won't let you see anything. We're still just inside of this chop. I need to get out of it before I go trying to do anything with it. Yep. Get me out of this shop. Oh my God. It's so bad. You know, look at this, dude. Oh, let's put on a 15-minute candle here. Let's look at this. Look at this. Look at what they look like. Oh my goodness. Please, for the love of God, let me out of it. Let me out. Oh God, we can't have all those zone labels. Good no. Turn them off. Update, please. Interview's being slow right now. We don't have any movement at all whatsoever. This is so aggravating. Just push. How long has it been here since 10:50? Last that hour and a half, hour, something like that. Welcome, Bossa. Beth, you need to call your friends over at the market maker place and tell them to push price out of this fucking range. You need to, so here's one thing you need to do, Bossa, is go to this Discord too. I sent you an invite to First Light Beacon. That's where the guide is to the First Light Beacon. That's where all the strategies are posted. Everything FLB related is going to be in that Discord. For Breakout Hunter, Hunters Club, stuff like that, everything's in this one. And 100% get everything installed and then go through the guide so you understand like what's going on, how it works, what settings do. The volume dot's not in there yet. Those are brand new. But they will be. I'll make a new one this week. Needs to be done. So we have this right here is with support turned into resistance, and now we're just chopping on it. See this? And I'm fully expecting a crash down to my decision level here. Boom. So, but this is just running sideways, my friends. I can't fucking trade this if it doesn't move. Some people are like, well, just buy the lows and sell the... No. I'm going to wait until we leave this area before I do anything. Yeah, so we got good supply at 26,120. We got good demand at 2,600. And guess what's at 2,600? My decision level. See that? So...
if it can get down past that 2,600, I'll be real interested in shorting.
Fuck yeah. That's gonna, like... Let's find out what's gonna happen. Update. Yeah. I mean, if we can get below 26, look at the gaps in volume, dude. Like, we're gonna get a massive crash. See that? You see that? You see what I'm looking at right here? For fuck's sakes, if we can break 2,600, there's nothing stopping it till 25.5. You know?
Dang. Wow.
I'm saying, like, I mean, am I blind here? Am I crazy thinking that? Like, look at what I'm looking at. Like, there's nothing.
Yeah, there's nothing there. It should fly through that.
It should be. It might get some little chop here, but once it gets like to this ledge here, breaks through this end cap that's already been mitigated, fucking dump. I should just put a sell stop right here. Walk away. You know what I mean? Just right here. Sell stop, walk away. Take profit right here at this end cap right here. This one right here is lining up with this node. Man, oh man, that would be fun. Here we go. Get out of that range there. I could just slap one on it, put a stop up here, and just target that down there. Your own email follow-up and click to view posts to see where they go. So, Ken, what's your WAP? If you're not as a member of the of any services, it's not going to let you see the announcements. right, we're getting some action. Finally. Oh. Nope. Still just sitting right in there. Doing absolutely nothing for us. Yeah, if we lose 2,600, dude, this should crash. Should crash good. Should be a good short. Maybe that'll be the 330 dump, you know? You get that big
I want it
gap.
before then. I want it earlier than that.
Yeah, right. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. 330, 3 to 330 is usually where you see those crashes come. That's when they're selling off. Most of the time. Not always, but we have like there's nothing to stop it right here. I'm gonna tell you right now, if this starts dumping and you start buying the dips when it's headed towards this gap right here with this volume, you should probably quit trading. Just saying. You know what I mean? That's not a very smart move at all, whatsoever. Why do I got 3 lines here? 2,600. What are the okay? That's not a decision level. This is the what did I just delete? I'm gonna delete that. Oh, that's my that's the point of control for my fucking fixed range. I don't need that on there at all. We can look at the volume, the highs and lows. Yeah. That's pretty good. This keeps getting shut down right here. That's why I'm just like, ooh, I want to short the rip, put my stop above the zone and target this end cap right here. This one right here. That's what I want to do so bad. I want to do it so bad. But sucks. I want to do it so bad. Yeah, patience. Patience sucks. Patience really sucks. So on X, I posted my scalps from earlier today. If you guys want to see how I actually got into the trades, if you want to see the trades, I put them on the X. Breakout Hunter is my X. I have posted them on there for your viewing pleasure. Let me see if I have a browser stream. Oh, good God. Okay, so let me fix that real quick. I'm so sorry. I broke this. I don't know what I did. Um, there it is. So there's the X. And here's the trade right here. Oh, that's not it. Here it is. Look at that. Boom. This one I was up 4,100 and I lost the trade. Like a I don't know what I was thinking. Here is here's the 930 dump trade that I took right here. I don't want the sound, but here is the video right here. This was the 930 dump. And speed it up a little bit. That was a nice trade right there. While we're waiting for this range to break. And I just targeted the low that was created right before 930. So pretty decent little scalp. It does win. And we got this one right here. Had a few pros watching this trade right here and just couldn't believe it. I couldn't believe that I was buying this right here. And they just didn't understand. They just didn't understand the power of the first light beacon. I mean, look at that rip. Oh my good God. Oh. I just didn't understand. Back to the charts. They were like, what? And I'm like, I tried to tell you, man, but you just don't want to listen because you already know better. You're already the shit. Which, yeah, he is. He's a really good fucking trader. But there's always a way to make more. That's the number one scalper in the world who has won Robbins Cups or top 3 multiple times has said it himself that new tools that work should be used. And he's one of the best in the world. And he literally says that you shouldn't get stuck in your old ways. That's what he's saying. If you find something that's going to help you, there's no fucking reason not to use it. So we're getting some displacement here. But look, it is literally hitting that end cap that I marked out right here. This 15-minute end cap.
Warbex says fade still, and it's getting up there pretty close to the midpoint.
Is it? Here's the end cap. Look at this. Is this gonna be end up a fade day? Really? We're gonna fade this shit? That is, I mean, I would call that displacement. I mean, kind of like push really good. Push, baby, push. You know, when they back it up, push. Oh, sorry, Beth.
How are you using the term displacement?
That was rude. Sorry, Beth. Displacement. Displacing price, shoving away from where it was. Pretty much.
So just strong movement away from where you were.
Yeah. But look at it come right back. These dudes, man, I'm telling you, they just don't want the price to go nowhere. Is there major news coming up or something that I don't know about? Like, why are they holding it here? Let's look. There was PMI at 10. And we got non-farm employment PMI. What day is that? The 5th? And then we got non-farm payroll and unemployment on Friday. Like, yeah. So no, man, they're not like, what the fuck is going on? Give me some movement. Hey, Ladots, if we lose 2,600, do you want to see something cool?
Sorry, yeah, I said I don't want to see anyone lose 2,600, but yeah, I'd love to see something cool.
No, 26,000. If we lose that level, look at, there's nothing to stop it from going down to 25, 25 to the 500s, 550.
Wow.
Yeah, it'll be a dumpster dive, dude, and I'm gonna be in it. I promise you.
Yeah, it's your favorite.
It is my favorite. Yes, it is my favorite. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and turn trend shift on right now so we can find that support that gets broke. Where are you, trend shift? The fuck? Do I not have trend shift myself? Trend shift. What is? Oh, here we go. There it is. Yeah, give me my trend shifts. So now we're bouncing between these two end caps. This is just perfect. That's 100% of what I really wanted. Really want. Let's swap this down to a 5 minute. Now look at this. It's just ugly as fucking hell. So I need, where's our most recent shift down and up? Right here. So here is our support right there. We need to break this right there in order for this to dump. There was no shift here. The shift was there. This is it. This is the shift. That's what we need. So let's get rid of all this other coloring crap. Make this a little darker or something. I don't know. I think that's good enough for me. And hopefully I'll go to Hike and Ashy. And we're getting so many extremes everywhere, but price isn't going nowhere, man. See that? I mean, kind of is, but kind of not. The Dom is looking crazy. Like, we've got this nice, where are we at? We're like 26 100. Let's mark this out. 26 100. Where are you? To 2662. Yeah, this node right here. And that's where that support is. See that? Oh, we found support based on volume. Oh my god, it matches my trend shift. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, the correlations they're starting to align. I want to dumpster dive this bitch, dude. I want to just crash all the way down to that right there. 520.
I'm trying to operate without any expectations, but yeah, that would be amazing.
Yes. Yes. Super fucking good. We need to lose this support to do that, though.
We needed to plop through that shelf.
Boom, boom.
It's not.
Yeah. 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 Okay, we're getting a trend shift break right here. What the yellow is. Are we gonna get an actual confirmation signal though? Which will be SL signal that pops up. I really want to see it dump this support though. That's gonna be the telling. That's gonna be like the oh yeah. Yeah, well, it's still respecting this end cap and the zone. What have I got on it right now? I forget. Not that one. Yeah, this one. 350. That's 350 algo. So we're bearish still, dude. We are considered bearish. This was just a brawled out, like, I don't know. Look at what this is. See that what this is? See that? Think we're gonna get our dumpster dive. Gotta lose this.
Yeah, I'm gonna wait until we get back below the opening range break, or real close to it at least. But then from there to the decision level below that, that's a pretty good.
Hold on. Let me turn on the orb. Let me turn it on. I don't even know what it looks like right now. Orbex. What do you got? What setting you got on there? What hour? I'm gonna go for the hour.
About an hour, yeah.
There it is. Okay, so we're inside it. It's still saying fade. And we're on top of this volume shelf here. I don't know, man. It's hard to... It could fade.
Yeah, I want to see if it goes up to the midpoint and then turns, or if it keeps going. That's going to tell me a lot.
Oh, I see what you're saying. You're thinking it's going to come up and tackle this and then come down.
Yeah, it might. I mean, because that's like up near the top of the 350.
I mean, we've already taken out the 2 decision levels up here. So those are, and then we have, a very good level right here. Look at that. Look at those rejections at that area. Look at that, dude. It goes back forever.
All right. That's a really good one.
And that's right at the mid. That's right at the middle of the hour of initial balance. Yeah. Yep. We could probably pinpoint where it's going to happen. Like right around there somewhere. Just pushing up to it. Might be able to help up.
Go grab some food. I'll be right back.
All right. See if we can't get this, what do we got this set to? Time 15. Yep. Okay. What it should be. Got an end cap sitting right there on the fucking middle of the orb too, dude. Oh God, you might be right. It might push up and just reject it and slam down. That would be beautiful. Yeah.